This is Alan from Wealthy Affiliate Black Friday offer. This is a video about step-by-step achieving wealthy affiliate goals with AlanJE. So Wealthy Affiliate is a leading platform for aspiring affiliate marketers, offering a comprehensive toolkit and supportive community to help you achieve your income goals. But navigating the world of affiliate marketing can feel daunting. That's where AlanJE, and that's me, a prominent figure within Wealthy Affiliate, steps in to guide you. AlanJE's success story, I can share the Wealthy Affiliate core principles, empowering individuals to build sustainable affiliate marketing businesses through education, support, and community. Our emphasis is on setting realistic and achievable targets, focusing on long-term growth rather than in overnight success. So laying the foundation, building your wealthy affiliate arsenal. Before diving in, it's crucial to identify a profitable niche. AlanJE provides research techniques to help you to find the perfect niche that aligns with your interests and has earning potential. We can also guide you through setting up your wealthy affiliate profile and taking essential steps on the platform. Building a knowledge base, learning from the master. Wealthy Affiliate boasts extensive training resources, and we encourage you to leverage them fully. These courses and tutorials provide valuable insights on various aspects of affiliate marketing, laying a solid foundation for your success. There are advanced strategies for growing your traffic and revenue streams. So once equipped with that knowledge, it's time to build your online presence. So we emphasize the importance of creating high quality content that resonates with your target audience and provides value. We also advise on SEO best practices to optimize your content for search engines, increasing organic traffic. Traffic is crucial, but monetization is the key. So we'll guide you in leveraging social media and networking to drive targeted traffic to your content. We'll also teach you effective traffic monetization strategies with high conversion rates, ensuring you reap the rewards of your efforts. Continuous growth, adapting and scaling your affiliate business. The world of affiliate marketing is dynamic. We promote continuous learning and adaptation. We'll equip you with tools to analyze trends and adjust your strategies accordingly. This may involve incorporating user feedback, utilizing data analysis for improvement, or even venturing into new niches or markets to scale your business. Our blueprint for long-term affiliate success. Achieving success in affiliate marketing takes dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. And we provide a blueprint that emphasizes building a strong foundation, identifying a niche, setting realistic goals, and acquiring essential knowledge. Creating high quality content that resonates with your audience and drives organic traffic. Effective traffic monetization, implementing strategies with high conversion rates. Adaptability and continuous learning, staying ahead of trends and adjusting your approach based on data and feedback. With our guidance, the Wealthy Affiliate platform, and your own dedication, you can unlock the doors to a thriving affiliate marketing business. Are you ready to embark on your journey to affiliate marketing success? Sign up for Wealthy Affiliate today and leverage the power of our expertise, and we can help you along your journey. If you'd like to sign up for our Wealthy Affiliates using our affiliate link for free, no credit card required, then click on the link below this video. Cheers for now.